Wait, your AI images aren't bad. You're probably missing one simple word. I wish I knew this sooner. Describe the lighting, not just the subject. Follow for easy AI image tips.
AI image generation transforms words into pictures using advanced machine learning.
Just a few years ago, creating artwork like this required hours or even days. The better your prompt, the better your image. AI studies billions of images to recognize patterns, not to think like humans. Today, anyone with an idea can become a digital creator. Toli's a digital creator. AI images are transforming marketing, education, gaming, architecture, and filmmaking. One sentence can produce thousands of complete different artistic possibilities. The same idea can become a painting, photograph, anime, watercolor, or cinematic masterpiece. Professionals now generate ideas in minutes instead of spending hours sketching. AI doesn't imagine like humans. It predicts what pixels should appear next. Millions of creators across the world now use AI every single day. We're only seeing the beginning. Tomorrow's AI will create entire worlds from simple ideas. Powerful technology also requires creativity, honesty, and responsible use.
Your first masterpiece begins with a single prompt. The only limit is your imagination.
AI image generation transforms ideas into visuals using powerful machine learning and your imagination. What would you create first using AI? Tell us in the comments below.
Subscribe for more AI breakthroughs, creative tutorials, and the future of technology.